Hey, this is Carlos, and I've been working on this platform to create custom software tools. It uses code generation under the hood, and it gives you a database that those tools it generates uses as a central source of truth. And yeah, I'm going to show you how it works. Let's say you want to create a KPI tracker for your business or for a use case you have. So say create. So now CodePortal will do planning, then backend work, then UI work, and and data, of course, data work, which is the data modeling and creating and modifying like the database uh, tables and stuff. So yeah, and at the end of this process, you'll see your tool live. It will ask you if you want to apply the data model changes because this is a dangerous operation. So it will always ask you about those kinds of changes. Okay, now you have this. Um, it doesn't fit that well. It would do some, I'm improving it, but it sometimes would do some mistakes, like not having this being responsive. Like I would, I think like fits somehow, it doesn't do the right thing here. So you can't just say like, um, and now it will do that. So it will update the tool with the emoji. Let's see. Yeah, it is doing a UI work, which means modifying just the UI part of this tool. And the UI should be like better. Like this button shouldn't be there. Oh, okay. This looks nicer. So now we have the emoji, and it even added like a little shadow. I see. So now let's test the tool. So let's say I want to add revenue. So I add it. It has this. Now I want to add a KPI entry here. Revenue is $1,000. Like I received $1,000 on the 5th. Okay. This is cool and everything, but I would want to add a chart to the KPI tool. Oh, I didn't even need to mention the tool. Like it knows because of the context. And so yeah, it knows which tool to modify or if it needs to create a new one based on the context. Okay, so let's see. Should add a chart maybe at the end. I don't know. Um, but you can always chat with it and modify it as you like. Okay, so when I select okay, this is nice. When I select the category here, um, I see the chart. So let's add one more, like $200 here. If I select the chart, you see it there. Okay, now let's add a new tool. This one could be like a mini dashboard. Let's say create a new tool that shows. What it will do is create like a new tool here in the sidebar um, with a new, like reusing the same data model, but creating a new backend and a new UI for just for this tool. So this is what's happening here. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. This looks nice. So monthly revenue, August revenue. This is nice. Okay. And now we have it here. So if you want to see your KPI tracking tool, here it is. The revenue. There's a chart. And here is the monthly revenue. Let's say I want to update the monthly revenue one, and I want to add. Let's do it from like if I refresh, I want to showcase that it can choose the right tool to modify. So um, let's add previous revenue to monthly revenue tool. So what it'll do is it will modify the monthly revenue tool. So it's doing planning work, backend work, then UI work, and it should modify the monthly revenue tool. So it compares like uh, both. It does like a classification there and then chooses the right one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so August revenue and July revenue. Oh, and the comparison month over month, infinity. So we can fix that. Fix the case in which this is because we have no entries the previous month, which have no entries. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No data available. Now let's add some KPI data for July just to test that it works. So let's say we had $200 revenue there. So yeah, this is July. Okay, so let's see monthly revenue. Okay, yeah, here's the $200 of July. Here's August. Here we have like this is the comparison. It did some backend work, backend. So let's summarize. It does data work, it does backend work, and it does UI work for small tools that you reuse your same data model. And you are going to have that data here available. And that way you can create your own tools, like your own software, custom software tools by asking CodePortal to build them. So this is it. I'm going to cut it there and then I'm going to continue to build. I have lots of ideas like integrations, more widgets, more capabilities, like fixing, like it is a bit wonky sometimes. So like improving the code generation, improving the security features, a lot of stuff based on papers and based on state-of-the-art techniques. So I'm just getting started with this, and I wanted to show this because I think it's very, very cool. And yeah, like I find it really, really cool that this can be done. And I love this stuff. I love um, AI generation, um, code generation, and coding in general. So uh, yeah, this is useful. Like, or you find this interesting, reach out to me. Uh, I'm open to talk to you if you have some feedback or just want to chat. Thank you.